I'm going back, you're going back, we're going back to school. My sister's going back, my brother's going back, even my teacher's going back to school.
Welcome back, grade 3 students. This is Miss Fatin and I will be your science teacher for this year. This year, we're going to learn together lots of amazing and exciting information about almost everything, plants, animals, and even the human body. So last year, the ISI all students learned different body parts with Miss Hiba, such as the head, the toes, the heart, the lungs, the back, the tongue, the neck. But how are all of these body parts connected together and how do they help us stay alive and healthy? So, our body parts work together in kinds of machines, in systems. Again, in the human body, there are systems or machines that work together to keep us alive and healthy. I'll give examples of body systems. We're going to start with the circulatory system, then the respiratory system. Third, we'll be talking about the digestive system, which is a system that helps you eat. The muscular system, the skeletal system, and we'll finish with the nervous system. I know that for some of you, they may seem hard to pronounce or to read, but I'm sure that all of you will be able at the end of each lesson to talk about the different parts that compose each system and the job of the system in the body. Today, we're going to start talking about the circulatory system. Let's start with this. Put your hand on your heart. Where is your heart found? Where is it located? Is it in your head? Is it in your legs? No. Our heart is found in the chest between the two lungs, which are the two organs that help us breathe, and a little bit to the left. Look at this diagram. Here are our two lungs and the red organ. What do we call this organ again? This is the heart. The heart is found in the chest between the two lungs, a little bit to the left. Keep your hand on your heart. You will feel your heart beating, don't you? The heart is beating. But what does a real heart look like? This is a real human heart. This is your heart. You're watching my video right now and your heart is beating and working in the same way. This is what our heart looks like and it keeps working, it keeps beating, it doesn't stop at all. Why does a heart need to work all the time? Because it helps something circulating and moving in the whole body. Can you guess what's the thing I'm talking about? Yes, I'm talking about the blood. And this is why we call it the circulatory system. It's because there is something circulating in the body. And it's the blood, the red liquid, the important red liquid that walks and that is found in every part in our body. So the job of the heart is to push the blood, then the blood will visit every part in your body. Together we're going to watch a video giving us more information about the heart.
Hi guys, do you want to try something neat? Take these two fingers, now hold them on the side of your neck, right next to your throat. If you hold them still for just a moment, you'll start to feel something bumping around in there. That is your pulse, the feeling of blood moving through your body. And that means you're actually feeling your heart beating. Your heart is always beating all day and all night, even when you're asleep. It can never take a break because it has a very important job. It moves your blood all around your body. And your heart can do that because it's actually a muscle. You have muscles all over your body that help you move, like muscles in your legs that you can use to run and muscles in your jaw for chewing yummy food. But your heart is the hardest working muscle of them all. Now make a fist with your hand. That's about how big your heart is. It may seem kind of small, but it's incredibly strong, and it's the constant squeezing of your heart muscle that keeps all that blood flowing.
So tell me, did you feel your heart beating? This small, amazing muscle that pumps blood in the whole body? Why does the blood need to move around? Look at this. Here is the heart. The heart pushes the blood in special roads, then the blood visits every part in your body. Why is that? It's because we cannot live without food and oxygen. So the job of the circulatory system is to transport or to move blood to every part in the body. The blood visits every part in the body to provide it with food and oxygen to keep them alive and working. Let me repeat. You have a small heart, a heart with the size of a fist found in your chest. The heart pushes the blood moves in your blood vessels, which are the special roads that the blood uses to move around in the body. The blood goes, it visits every part in your body. It visits your eyes, it visits your toes, it visits your stomach, it visits also your lungs, your ears, your back. Why is that? Because each part needs food and oxygen. So here we have the taxi or the blood giving the body parts what they need. What are the different parts of the circulatory system? There are two parts, the heart, located in the chest, and the blood vessels, as I just mentioned. The blood vessels are the roads that the blood uses to move around in the whole body. What do blood vessels contain? Blood vessels contain the blood for sure. When you feel stressed, when you feel scared, when you make sports, your heart beats faster. Why is that? Because you need more energy, because your body needs more food, more oxygen, so the blood will need to move faster. Your body parts need more energy, more food, more oxygen, so the blood must give them more and more. For this reason, the heart beats faster. And this is it. I think our lesson is super easy. Today's lesson's title is the circulatory system. We were talking about the circulatory system. Why do we call it the circulatory system? Because there is something circulating and walking in the whole body, which is the blood. That's right. What are the two parts of the circulatory system? We have the heart and the blood vessels. What's the job of the heart? The heart pushes the blood. What's the job of the blood vessels? The blood vessels carry the blood. What's the function of the whole circulatory system? It is super important because it transports, it controls the movement of the blood in the body. Last of all, what's the size of the heart? The heart is or has the size of a fist. If you still have any questions, keep them till I see you in the classroom, or you can for sure send me messages or send me your questions and I will be happy to answer them. I love you. Bye bye.